In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the BOOL built-in function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. The BOOL function allows you to evaluate any value and give you true or false in return. Let's make examples to better understand how the BOOL function works. I created a variable. I sent the variable to the BOOL function. As an integer, all values other than 0 are true. Therefore, in this example, the BOOL function returns true. A value of 0 is false. For the value 40, the BOOL function returns true. The BOOL function returns true for all negative numbers. For negative float values, the BOOL function returns true. The situation is the same for positive float values. For false, the BOOL function returns false. For true, the BOOL function returns true. For none, the BOOL function returns false. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the BOOL built-in function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.